Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Akshata. The reason for making this video is I'm going to Mangalore because I have conference and I'm giving oral presentation in conference on pharmacovigilance and drug safety. So I packed all my bag and my bus is at 5:30 evening. So I have to go now. Some of my friends already went to Mangalore on Saturday, like 22nd. I could not join with them because I was having my birthday plans. And you can see there, and this is my decoration, birthday decoration, and made by my roommate Baru. If possible, try to participate in the conferences. Like they will conduct quiz, oral presentation, poster presentation, like so many things. Like try to participate in any one of these. It doesn't matter whether you give a best in a presentation or a quiz. It all matter is your participation. Attending conference will really enhance your knowledge, and don't attend just for sake of certificate. Actually, this is my third conference. First was I attended virtually due to COVID-19. So, and second was in Hubballi, KLE College of Pharmacy. That was on pharmacovigilance, and third is this Mangalore conference. So that's all. On the way I have purchased mask. So bus is leaving now. In between our journey, we had some snacks. Now we have reached the Mangalore city. From bus stand, we took auto to our hotel room. ಇವರು ನಮ್ಗಿನ ಮೊದಲೇ ಬಂದಿದ್ರು. So we came to our room. Now we'll take some rest, and the continuing part of this video will be posted as part 2 in my YouTube channel.